Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back everybody. Let's take a look again on the Forex market. So actually you could see that euro currency is losing the direction, mostly turning to some fluctuation around the same 1-270 resistance area, forming some minor consolidations, or looks like the pin pattern. It's understandable just because markets are waiting for the drivers that should start appearing as soon as tomorrow. So we get a report from the giants as Microsoft and Google in the morning, so they will report today, but after the closing of the market. And tomorrow starts the Fed. Then on Thursday, as we already talked about, this gross domestic product release, and on Friday a few additional data, personal consumption, expenditures numbers, and retail sales. So it's really important week. Today we also could get some for a euro market, so it will be a lot of reports, earnings reports now. Today, for instance, Airbus will give a report, and some other big companies that also could bring some volatility. But in general, with the recent performance, we still think that some attempt to show the upward spike should happen. I'm not talking about the reversal and some direct upward continuation, but attempt to just shake the boat, show some occasional spike, trying to grab the stops around this area. It's really might appear in the nearest few sessions by the few reasons. First of all, I'm just still watching for this type of behavior that's more typical for attempt to show the upward swing, just because usually bearish market develops really fast. So if market intends to show the brand body, it usually starts it relatively soon and fast. It's not standing just below the confluence area for a long time. And that makes me think that some occasional spikes since could be done. Second, everybody in general understand that Fed will change the rate for 75 basis points at least. So some positions have been taken for that, and as soon as this will happen, market probably will start to sell the fact. And that also could let euro to climb a bit higher. That's actually reasons, technical reasons, why theoretically we could get the bounce. On lower time frame, take a look on the 4 time frame chart. Market is calling the same kind of the flag consolidation, but right now it's flirting with the upper border. And I suggest that we could keep an eye on the pattern. So maybe, well, at least it fits very well to the targets that we have. So if you take a look at these extensions on the hourly chart, and if we use the performance of this engulfing pattern to the downside as a background for a possible pattern, as you can see, 1618 extension stands precisely at OP, which agrees with our daily resistance. It's 103.68. It's right here. And it is, well, it's comfortable to use it to control the bullish trade if you have it or intend to take it. Because for a bullish context, market has to stay, well, perfectly, it should keep the butterfly, but in general the invalidation point stands slightly lower around the C. So if market will break it down, it will erase the ABCD pattern and forming the bearish reversal swing, and it suggests that probably market has no ability to keep going higher with the touching of next resistance, and we're turning directly to downside continuation of the major trend that we have on the daily, weekly chart, and so on. So, but in the short term, until market stands above it and forming kind of the butterfly consolidation, maybe that's short-term bullish context that could work, and actually market keep chance on the possible upward performance here. That's why if you're in general considering taking some scalp position, maybe on the data release or something of that sort, you would like to take part in this stuff. Well, so with actually light, well, acceptable risk. So watching for a pattern, for instance, here, well, why not? You could just keep an eye on this possible stop. Maybe it will be useful to you. For others, guys, if you would like to take the short position on high time frames, here is probably we should wait for clarity. So either market should show the spike up and complete the pattern, then we start thinking about taking position around next resistance, or if we get signs, clear signs that this setup is failing and market start dropping, well, in this case we're turning to searching chance to go short on the way down already. In the current moment, well, it's not very attractive situation for taking the short position immediately because of all the stuff that I have said, and additionally because, well, it will be a lot bigger uncertainty due to the big bulk of the statistics that we will get and important events.